All right. Just put in the link here, then press enter on your keypad. Change the network to BSC smart chain. Change it to smart chain. Okay, and well, this is just to show you how to claim the NFT on a crypto dogs club. Okay, some people find it difficult to connect their wallets, and I'll show you how to connect your wallet. So you click on connect wallet, then first try Trust Wallet. Let's see if it goes. Some people say it's not been going. Mine went. Okay. All right, let me try another one. Connect wallet. Wallet connect. Wallet. I clicked on wallet connect. Let's see if it goes. I'll try it again. Wallet connect. Okay. That one didn't go. So it's Trust Wallet that went for me. Trust Wallet. That's the one that went. So it should just go by just clicking it once. Then you go to airdrop. Click on airdrop here. Minting starts in 4 days, so it's in 4 days time we'll receive it. So, and it is in 4 days time also we'll be able to transact the sell of the coin. So I want to claim, sell off the NFT rather. So I want to claim my own here, and now one claim per user. So I want to claim it. I'm claiming this. Make sure you trust the site. Okay, so I'm claiming. Okay, so we'll wait while it processes. Okay, transaction executed. Okay, then you see here this place airdrop, you see referral. That's where you get your referral link. See, it's claimed. All right, transaction received means airdrop, blah blah blah. Okay, then you click on this referral at the top right and copy your referral link. It's as simple as that, and that's all. You share. Okay, let me leave here now. I'm leaving the page completely. Now you go to your wallet. If you want to check it to see where to enter, go to these collectibles at the top left, top right, collectibles. Click there. It is going to show you. Well, it has not yet appeared. All right, but it's supposed to show here. But that is when they send it to us. That's when to appear there. That's collectibles. Okay, I think that's that for that.